So, sir, I started the Python stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Is it fun if I start away with it? Because I already finished the C# stuff. That's why I even made a couple of applications on it.
Yeah, you can start. You can start. Python is very good, and try to learn more about Python.
Mm-hmm.
Try to learn write scripts in
But I won't
Python.
start the ASP.NET because that's gonna take so much of my computer. So I
Yeah,
won't
it's gonna
start that
take
one yet.
RAM. Yeah.
Because it's using Visual Studio Code, not Visual. It's using Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code. And Visual Studio is like very heavy
Yep,
duty
because
software.
it creates the databases itself.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Yep.
That's why I won't start that yet.
Finish. Next. Portrait. And finish. That's it. I'm gonna use this one. Let's turn it on. It's
Sir, my brain already hurts. What if this doesn't work? What if it doesn't work? Waste of time. Oh my god, it doesn't work.
my goodness.
No, why?
Something is phishing me.
Okay,
Something is phishing me. What's the problem here?
okay, let's go through the code one by one. Let's start with the activity main. I mean
Activity
everything look
main, it's same.
yeah, okay, that's good. We got that down.
So do we need to add here anything? Controls are
No,
there, match parent, match main activity.
everything looks good there.
Yeah, everything's good there. My list is here. Text view,
So
there's image view, linear layout, wrap content. Here is vertical layout, then text view, and linear layout is closed class. Subtitle, title, and then main activity Java file. We created main title, title, then subtitle.
wait, so let me narrow it down. Normally when you
Subtitle,
have an error in the Java, it only closes the app. So it's the Java code that's the issue.
subtitle, image ID, list, ren, main title, subtitle, and word main title, spellings are correct. Image ID, main, MAIN, title, string, subtitle. Set content view my list adapter. Adapter is equal to my list. Context is this: main title, subtitle, and image ID list. List view. ID list.
That one's correct, sir. Everything there is correct.
Set on click listener. New this. Wide on click. In position. Parent. Long ID. Position this. To make it application context. Toast length short. If we will make it as length short. Effect. Custom list adapter file name my class list array.
Where do you put your images, sir, again?
They are here in map array adapter, and inside it
What if you put it in drawable? Will that make a difference? That's where I put it. That's why.
Where you put it?
I put it in drawable. The drawable directory.
Here?
Yeah.
Then we have to change.
You can you can just copy and paste it in there.
Yep. String my class list adapter. Let me check it. Then that can be also list of C drive users administrator. SDPI 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. X in drawable or drawable v version?
Drawable.
So they're here. Okay, so then I have changed the path to them.
If it doesn't work, then I don't know what to do. I'll give up.
Drawable. That's it.
Yeah. Hopefully it works.
Hopefully, no. It's giving the same error for me. Launcher running and later appear.
It's not really running, that's why. Press it again. Okay.
Android custom keeps stopping. App info. Something is wrong, that's why it's not able to process signal.
Wait, scroll down. I think it preference my list adapted Java 48. Line 48, sir.
Line 48. Image view.
How is that an error?
It's not an error here.
You did declare the image ID. I saw it, but
Image ID.
yeah, you declared it.
But where is the error? Image ID set image resource. Subtitle. Image view dot set
Image view dot
resource img id and position. That's it. But here a row view inflator.inflate or layout.mylist null and attached to root true. One internal call app.thread.
set image resource and no object. It's empty. It's supposed to be null. R.layout.
There are
Inflate.
which one? This one, view group?
Yes. Wait. Yeah.
There are 4 inflates. I use the view group root.
Trial and error. Try the second one.
It's XML pull parser. Let's say inflate
R.layout.
layout
Dot my list.
my list is coming automatically, comma
The root is null.
null, comma true. That's it.
Image view is the, oh no, I thought image view was spelled wrong. Sorry, my bad.
Image resource and on null object reference. Position. Image ID. This is the same image ID which we're using here. Image ID. So image view set, image resource, image ID, position. The same thing. Image ID position. Problem is here. Logcat is showing
What
why
is your image? I searched up in Stack Overflow. Someone had the same issue. What if it's the
Android
image view?
budget.imageview.set image resource integer
Yeah,
is
I
a
searched
null
up.
object reference. Line 48. Error is here. Set image resource image ID position. Private final integer it is. image ID, AIMG ID. And here also I define the same thing, integer IMG ID. Driver FP install to it. List view. Here everything is correct. Image view is equal to image view row view dot find id dot icon. Have we added the icon somewhere?
In the XML file, are you referring to that? I think we did in the my list on image view as an ID.
Oh, as an ID, that's the main
Oh,
thing.
we got it.
That's
Hey,
the
we got
thing,
it.
man.
How did I not see that?
Yeah, that's the thing. We got it. Android ID.
What if it doesn't work, sir?
It should work definitely now. Android ID, because icon was the thing which I was looking for. Yep. That's it. That was the thing that was missing. This, oh, now it should work. Here we go.
Yes. Hey, let's go.
Alhamdulillah. That was the issue. So these are the things.
You spent 20 minutes, 10 minutes on that.
20 minutes on that, just because I was looking at this. I'm using this icon title I have added, subtitle I have added, but I have not added this icon. So where I did it, now this is the icon. That was the problem. At icon, I was adding it. It was the issue. That was the reason it was showing error on 48 line. So this was adding your custom, images to the list view. So once again, I'm going to explain the steps. We created a new project. We added or we modified activity main XML file by adding list view with the ID list and with the margin bottom 50. Then I added one more layout file of XML, my list view. Here we added image view and the ID is icon here, linear layout with the vertical orientation. That we added text view with the following attributes, then another text view with, this was the title and this is subtitle. And then in the main activity, we created one variable with the class list view, and then we stored all the titles in the variables or arrays main title, subtitle, and images over here in image ID. And then we created the mylist adapter object, and then we added a method set on item click listener, position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 5 positions. And then in the, we added another Java file or Java class mylist adapter, which is going to extend array adapter. Here we created the private variables and arrays. And then we created the method of mylist adapter, which is here. All right. And that's all about this. Get view, we use these classes, image view and all, and then we just save this and we just have to refresh our project, and you will see the list, the custom list that we do have. Amazing, it is. It's looking great. If you want, you can just change, you know, these titles. It's not necessary that you want the same thing. You can change the title. Suppose it's title 1, for example. It's gonna be Facebook. It's Facebook. Here, subtitle, I'm gonna change it to, for example, login. Save it and run it again. You will get here Facebook login. Okay. So if you have Instagram now, you can change the subtitle title to here in the main. So Instagram. And here also same category in the second place on subtitle, we're going to use login. In the same way, what's on the third place? It's Twitter. So on third place, I'm going to use application Twitter. Sorry, it's TWITTER, Twitter. And on third place, I will say login. And on fourth place, we have YouTube. And on fourth place, I'm going to add login. And on fifth place, we have LinkedIn. Here, I'm going to give LinkedIn. And here, I will give login. So save it. And again, run it. And you will have Facebook login, Instagram login, Twitter login, YouTube login. And you can, when you click on it, place your fifth option code. YouTube, place your fourth option code. Twitter, place your third option code. Instagram, Facebook. Okay. So this was all for today. This is all about Android custom list view, the default one which I have taught you in my previous class. And this is the custom list view where we have added some logos of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn, right? It should be capital here. So you will get the capital Twitter here. That's it. It looks like, yeah, we have an application. And later on, if you want, you can link. These are basically the links which you want to be added in the application that you may be developing in the future. So at that time, we can just decrease the logos and rest of the things, but it's a list view. Okay, clear? I guess this is enough today, and I will see you in my next class on Wednesday. Until that, bye-bye. See you. Take care.
You too, sir. Take care.